At the start of the 1990s, the medical establishment proposed that older women take estrogen to protect against heart disease, osteoporosis, and other medical conditions associated with menopause. By 2001, around 15 million women were taking estrogen, believing it would make them healthier. Where did the proposal come from? Statistical analysis. Using regression analysis during a longitudinal study of 122,000 women, found a negative association between estrogen supplements and heart attacks. Women taking estrogen had 67% fewer heart attacks than the ones not taking them. Who did the study? Only the Harvard Medical School and the Harvard School of Public Health. After the study's results arose, scientists and doctors proposed explanations for why the estrogen supplements would work. And by the way, this is confirmation bias, but we'll let it slide this time because our punchline is different. The theory went as follows. Women's ovaries produce less estrogen as they age. So if estrogen is vital to the body, then making up for this deficit in old age could be a solution for long-term health. Simple and intuitive, right? As women started taking hormones, the treatment was then subject to more thorough investigative actions, clinical trials, which are controlled experiments. The results were that taking estrogen led to a higher heart disease, stroke, blood clots, and a few other terrible things. Were there positive outcomes as well? Yes, but the negative side far outweighed the positive. What happened then? Of course, estrogen is no longer prescribed after 2002. Unfortunately, the clinical trials may have come too late. And an estimate shared that tens of thousands of women had life-threatening outcomes or even died. What is the bottom line? Regression analysis is a great way to start and analyze anything. However, and this is mainly for important topics that have real consequences, be it health or financial, regression analysis should be taken as a starting point to understand drivers, not an endpoint. Correlation is not causation, as you already know. Until the next video, have fun.